Yan. Yan, nasa Bacolod na po kami. Yan po ang ibabaw ng Bacolod. Yan. Silay Airlines.
Silay Airport.
Airport.
Iwan din naman natatapos. Nandiyan lang dapat sa atin. Sa atin.
Bakit sa atin?
Lang na nga. Hindi, i-post mo siya. Nakatali.
Hindi.
Ayan na, okay. Pero sila, ano ba ito? Ang gulong? Nandito. Nay, nandito na siya, Nay. Nakarating na sa Silay Airport.
Tao na.
Nakatungtong na siya sa Bacolod.
Ay, hindi pa ako nakatungtong. Nasa Kalawakan pa lang ako. Bali.
Parang nasa highway lang. No?
Nagpahangin pa nga kanina ng gulong.
Ha?
Nagpahangin pa kanina ng gulong. Kala ko magpapagas pa nga eh. Sa ibabaw. Nasa runway na pala tayo. Isang gulong kami. Yan yung rough road. Rough road. Huli ka, overspeeding. Ayan, overspeeding siya. Huli.
Ayan, may wang-wang na.
Ticket ka, Balbon.
Dear guests, we have landed at Bacolod Silay Airport. We're pleased to inform you that we have landed 19 minutes ahead of schedule. Time now is 16 minutes past the hour of 5 in the morning. For your safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartment and please ensure you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board and we look forward to serving you again soon. On behalf of AirAsia, Captain Henry Baro Jr., First Officer Mark Roncesvalles, cabin crew Kez, Daryl, Maya, and myself, Blanche, we would like to say thank you for flying with us. For passengers,
Ay, lumagpas sa 3 minutes. Hindi kasi may post lagpas sa 3 minutes. Kakat. Mamaya ulit, stop natin ito ulit dito. Yan, ang Silay Airport. Kaya siguro yan.